from the last vlog. We have got lots more to do today, so we better start. Let's go! We better start getting stuff done. We're going to go on Buzz Lightyear, 25-minute wait. We think it looks a bit longer than 25, right?
I weren't 25. 5k.
I know, this is it is a long line, but hopefully it doesn't take too long.
Okay, Sam.
Mine was broken. I think that honestly, I really think there was something wrong with mine.
Do we have to go on again?
No, I'm not waiting again. It was fun. It was good.
I like it.
Oh, it was so funny. We got to this bit on the ride and we were both, ooh! Ah!
I'm not sure how I'd get it home. Roll it, maybe?
Would it fit in the bottom of my case flat?
Oh yeah, it would. Flat. It'd take up no room. I'm really tempted because I like them a lot.
Me too, actually.
3 out of 9.
Is it?
Yeah.
Are these the only ones?
No, I seen more in the big shop. The
Did
big
you?
one at Disney shop.
Ah, right,
I
okay.
want the cool one.
Oh, they've got some XRs. Maybe. They've got
this one.
that one's so pretty. They have no 13s though, by the looks of it.
Like at all for anything.
No.
Quite like that one as well.
That one is nice. I have to admit, I think I really do like that
I
one.
want that one. I do like the Star Wars one that's on the other shop though.
I think Star Tours only looks like a 15-minute wait.
Yeah.
So we'll get on that.
And then I just need to find Mr. Vader.
Oh yes, Isla wants to find Darth Vader for a meet and greet.
He should be around here somewhere. Or again,
Star Tours vous annonce un service de départ quotidien en continu pour cette planète éloignée et désertée.
Just so you know, there are no photos allowed in this area.
Oh.
But I'm willing to bend the rules for you. Go ahead, take as many as you want.
Controlling him.
That was so funny. Isla went, oh sorry, I didn't mean to. We went on our last ride of the day on Space Mountain and we had front row. It was even better than the first time. It was so good.
Oh my god.
One of my favourites.
I'm so dizzy. It was very good. I really enjoyed it.
Yeah, me too. I'm sad it's going to be the last time, maybe. I mean, who knows, we might be on it later.
So what are we doing now? We're going to the...
We're going to go to the Alice in Wonderland maze. So we've not done the maze yet, have we?
Get some photos. Where are we going? This way.
Maze, photos, pirates, and then the parade at 5:30. Oh, it's nice in here, isn't it? Oh, that's open now. You can go up the stairs.
On the way to the pirates?
On the way, oh yeah. This bit, this is really nice. So this is the bit that you can come into, and Cinderella was here earlier doing a little meet and greet. Oh, her carriage is so pretty.
To make it smooth.
Eeyore again and a lady.
Oh, no, it's Cooper.
Oh, is it?
I'm sure.
Oh
it's
yeah,
Cooper.
it is. It's not a lady. I'm going to get him on the way out.
We've not been this way already.
I don't know how to get out of this maze.
Have this feeling, haven't felt for so long. Took a hold on me and won't let go. I've been sleeping, caught me off my guard. Cause you're in my space and now I'm so pull me towards you and I cannot fight it. My head's underwater, I try to disguise it. Want you to hold me, though we haven't spoken. I need that something to get me to open. You are only a shot away from me to be my everything. Cause you are only a shot away from me to be my everything. You are only a shot away from me to be my everything. Cause you are only a shot away from me to be my everything. Shot away. Won't let you touch me, won't let you go to my head. Cause I know I'm dealing with the devil. But I'm standing with my heart in your hand, and I'm too deep into in this gamble. Pull me towards you and I cannot fight it. My head's underwater, I try to disguise it. Want you to hold me, though we haven't spoken. I need that something to get me to open. You are only a shot away from me to be my everything. Cause you are only a shot away from me to be my everything.
So the parade was really good. We managed to get a spot sitting on the floor down at the front. I was really lucky actually.
And I found Disney snacks.
And I found Disney snacks. She went to get a bottle of water, came back with 2 Mickey shaped cookies. So I was happy about that. So we're going to quickly hop across to the studios. Tower of Terror is 5 minutes. And we're going to do a single rider on Ratatouille. And then hop back across to Disneyland Park and do Main Street properly and spend a bit of money, I think. Spend a bit of money. Take the dollar. We keep catching each other swearing on our vlogs. It's pretty funny.
And editing.
Well, that's the magic of editing, isn't it? I know
People are probably
there's no running in Disney, but we are speed walking to Tower of Terror.
press on people.
And then single rider Ratatouille, because oh, that was so good, that ride. It's nice and quiet in here. And warm.
We'll need a better look at here on the way out.
Nous sommes ravis
Yeah.
de vous accueillir aujourd'hui. Pour la santé et la sécurité.
I don't think we'll get on Crush's coaster,
Sadly.
because it is, what did you say, a 45?
55-minute wait.
55-minute wait, so it's, yeah, a bit long. And we want to get back across to the other park.
Okay, I'll remember that one ride.
Oh, that one ride, it was awesome. I really do like Crush's coaster. It's on another level at night, isn't it?
At parks at night every time.
Yeah, my favourite time, I think, is at night time. Just gonna say bye bye to the park. Bye Main Street. So that is us done with the Disneyland park. We have spent quite a lot of time in the shops on Main Street in the past hour and a half. We've looked in everything and there's some good stuff in the shops.
2 seconds, I don't have a camera.
Right, well, the last 10-15 minutes has been a bit of a stressor.
I honestly don't know how I function in life.
Isla lost her camera. She left it in one of the shops on Main Street.
Still have it though.
We then went to guest services, or lost and found.
Thank you, guest services.
And the crew, the cast members there were amazing, so helpful, and she got her camera back. Some lovely person took it to Lost and Found.
Thank the good
so,
Lord.
do you know what? There's still good people out there, and that is Disney magic for you.
How do we get out?
How do we get out? I mean, I don't mind not getting out.
Not here, because they're all closed. Oh, we're stuck.
Oh, like we're stuck in Disney.
Oh, let's have to go and take 10,000 photos.
Not a bad thing. We've came to the Rainforest Cafe for dinner. And we're super excited about this. They've got the classic Coronarita, which we're both going to get. And food.
Oh, there's more.
Yeah, just on the back. I'm super happy about the little elephant in the background because elephants are my favourite. That was just a little thunderstorm that we get. I think they have them like every 20 minutes, 30 minutes or something in the Rainforest Cafe. That one was super quick, wasn't it?
Just arrived.
Oh yeah. So good. It just totally reminds me of the drink in Florida.
I got the Beyond Burger. Sam got some pasta.
Yeah, I got pasta, it's got chicken and lots of vegetables in it. And your burger looks good.
Yeah, my vegan burger.
Oh, this is fun, isn't it?
What did we order?
We ordered the volcano. Hi, we are back in the hotel. The bars at Disney Village shut quite early. We were planning on going for an extra drink, but that clearly didn't happen, so we came back to the hotel. And so tired. Now that when you lie down, don't you, and you stop doing whatever you're doing, the tiredness hits you so bad. We do need to pack tonight because we're leaving to go home tomorrow. Isla's going to have a job and a half trying to get all her stuff in her suitcase. Her suitcase is tiny, but then I think I'm going to have a bit of trouble too because I bought quite a lot. So we'll see how we get on, but we need to do that tonight. And then the plan is for tomorrow that we're going to actually head round some of the resorts, and we really want to see the new Marvel hotel on site. So I think we're going to go and do that. I look like a zombie.
I feel like one.
No. So yeah, thank you guys so much for watching. If you did like it, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe. And I will see you tomorrow for our very last Disneyland Paris vlog. Thank you for watching.